I'm pretty sure if you don't have one of these at home, you have seen them on the internet and you're wondering if you should buy it and what do these lights do? And can flashing lights on your face really do something? Hey everybody, it's Mitty from Restivita here, and I have written theses on absorption and emission rates of different wavelengths of light, so I understand these face masks better than most people. The colors on a mask fit the visible light spectrum. That means those colors are supposed to be visible by the human eye unless you have a mutation of some sort that causes you not to see red, green, or the colors. Animals can perceive other colors, and some plants can absorb colors that we cannot see. The reason why we can see the colors is because our eyes are equipped with machinery to do so. That does not mean that those colors do not exist. So visible light is measured in nanometers. This is the unit of measuring visible light. So longer units versus shorter units give you a different color of light. For example, red light is around 700 nanometers, and blue light to purple light is about 480, 400 something nanometers. So visible light or any other light travel in waves. That means it goes up and down and it comes back up again. And from tip to tip of each wave is called a wavelength. So longer wavelengths mean that it's a longer distance from one tip to the other tip. A shorter wavelength means it's a shorter distance from one tip to the other tip. That means that these lights that have longer wavelengths can penetrate the object better than those that have shorter wavelengths. And in this case, the object of penetration is your skin. So theoretically, a longer wavelength of light can penetrate your skin deeper than the shorter wavelengths of light, which are the purples and the blues. So that means the red lights can go under the surface of the skin, right? The blues and the purples are mostly surface level. And this is very important for the function of each of these colors of lights. So red light is around 630 nanometers, and that is important for collagen production. So if you want nice, plump, firm skin, you can use the red light. So now blue, which is the shortest, which is about 470 nanometers, is mostly for the surface level. That will kill the bacteria in your skin. So if you have some pimples, you can try to apply the blue light and see how that works for you. Now, if you turn it to purple light, this is a mixture of red light and blue light. So this will enhance collagen production and it will kill the bacteria on the surface of your skin. So it's like a 2-for-1. Green light is around 520 nanometers, and this is not as deep as red light, but it's not on the surface like the blue light. So this will help with oil secretion and oil production. So if you have really oily skin, this can help balance the oil-water ratio in your skin. So yellow light is important for like breaking down the pigmentation. This is about 590 nanometers, I want to say, and it can help with oxygen exchange in your skin and help give you that very refreshed look. And turquoise is a mixture of the blue and the green. So naturally it has all the benefits of both blue and green light. And then there's the white light. The white light helps with skin relaxation and it helps to even out your skin tone. So white light is a combination of the entire visible spectrum. It is all of the colors on your skin at once. I don't really think that it does anything to say it does each of the single functions, because I think some of the wavelengths cancel each other out, but I haven't done any experiment to prove that, and so I'm not going to say it does or it does not here. I can only tell you how each of these lights work, and if you ask me, I can just tell you what the wavelength of each of these lights are, but do they really work for your skin? I don't really know for each person, but specifically me, I think I have good results with the blue light. I'm still working on the red light situation, but that's competing with my hormones, so I don't know. Until I see you again, live well. And for anybody who wants to know, I do the purple light.